Here we have an ASUS laptop that came in for no power. Laptop does not power on. We already disassembled the board right here. And let's go ahead and diagnose the board and see what's going on without wasting any time. The charging connector is right over here. Let's start by measuring the power MOSFETs. We have a short. What's new? We have a short. Let's inject 1.2 volts at the shorted area of the MOSFET and see what gets hot on the board. And look at that. We have a heat spot right over here. Let's consider this board fixed. And let's see what's over here. Look at this. We have a damaged cap. How long did it take? Quick. Very quick. We're going to replace the capacitor. And the board should work. And the job is done. Let's check to see if we still have a short. Right here. And we do not. We are reading 0.44 voltage drop, and the board is fixed. See? Only took a few minutes, and the board is fixed. We have about 16 ASUS laptops that we're gonna be working on. I honestly wanted to do all of them in one video because I run through them pretty quick, but Big Boss only have this one open, so I decided to just do this one. Clean the board, and we're gonna reassemble, and I'll be back to finish the video. All right, Big Boss reassembled the laptop, and ta-da! Laptop is working. Now, I did not provide you with the model number of the laptop, so let's see what the model number is. Because sometimes I forget to even look at the model, and people ask in the comments, which model is this? G531G. G531G. All right, that's it. We're going to end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And we'll do something else in the next video.